Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect BMW 1 Series Bluetooth music. First, ensure your car's ignition is on and you are safely parked. Then, using your iDrive controller, navigate to the communication menu. From there, select Manage Mobile Devices. This is the crucial starting point for adding any new phone or audio device to your BMW system, making the connection process simple and efficient for everyone. Once in the Manage Mobile Devices menu, select Connect New Device. Simultaneously, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone and ensure it's discoverable. Your phone should then display a list of nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for your BMW's name, often BMW followed by a series of numbers, and select it to initiate the pairing. This step links your phone directly to your car. After selecting your BMW on your phone, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the iDrive screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. Once paired, navigate to the Media or Entertainment menu in your iDrive system and select Bluetooth audio as your input source. You can now play music from your phone, adjusting the volume on both your device and the car's controls. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your mobile phone and the BMW's iDrive system. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves connectivity problems. Also, consider deleting any old, unused device pairings from your car's system to free up connection slots and prevent conflicts. For more tips and other great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. It's a great way to enhance your reading experience anywhere you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.